you doing? My name is Brian Martin, owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. We do a whole lot of deck washing. So if you stepped outside, either saw some dirt, debris, or even some mildew growing on your deck, well, we can help take care of that. So we get asked a lot, how much does a deck wash cost? On average, a normal size deck costs between about $250 to $350. But here's a tip to save money. We recommend washing your house at the same time, and that normal $250 price can go as low as $150. So our tip is to do the house and the deck at the same time. If you'd like to get a price on your deck, give us a call, 757-310-2926.